What's up, everyone? Welcome to this new Hostinger coupon code today video. In this today video regarding Hostinger, I'm going to share you two of the finest coupon codes. But what you have to get the coupon code discount today is simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount coupon link right now today, you are going to get amazing discount while buying hosting. So once you click on the link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see deal running right now. You can see that Hostinger is recommended by WordPress.org. They got amazing reviews on different websites and they have limited time deals valid for today. So you can grab any plus use two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount, which I will tell you step by step in this video. And you know that they have data centers all around in the world. They have website solution builder, which is just amazing. They also provide maximized website speed with their light speed website technology. They have 24/7 support. Currently, more than 2 million people are using it right now today, and you can also be the part of it. And all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. So buy the hosting today and get the amazing discount. And so you can see that also provide you free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. So now to get the discount today, simply select any plan. So let's say we are going with this plan. I'll do your research on what plan functions, features you may need. Simply select the choose plan with any plan you want to offer. Which is like the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. On that page you can see that it's a limited time deal today and it's valid for a few days, and these are limited time pricing, which are not going to be shown to you again. So I want you guys to take the maximum out of it. I suggest you to offer the 48 months or 24 months or 12 months, because here you are saving the most amount of money. So once you select your plan, scroll below, write your billing details over, write your email ID over here or synchronize with the Google account. After this, select your payment method. Hosting will offer various payment methods. You can select any today according to your preference. Once you select your payment method, you can see that the price is already got a special discount for today, and then write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code today. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link only valid for today. So I want you guys to grab it right now. Simply select the apply with this one, and you can see that the price got a further discount. So now there is another coupon code as well which you can use. It is with the name of HI10. Simply select the apply for today, and you can see that a price got a further discount. So if you are looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then make sure to use either this coupon code today to get an amazing discount with Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger. Good luck.